Hey, what's going on everybody? Marvin here. Welcome back to another video. So as many of you have heard about the Keepa update, that now they are no longer free and they are charging approximately $17 a month for you to sign up. Now, I found out about this the day that it happened and I let my students know that are in my course, but I wanted to hold off on making a video about it on my YouTube channel just because I wanted to see how the Amazon FBA community was going to react, and I predicted everybody was going to lose their shit. And that's pretty much what happened. So let me give you a quick background on what Keepa is, and then I'll give you my recommendations as far as should you download this software. Is this software really necessary, or should you go more towards a free software that is available as well? So for those of you that don't know, Keepa gives you a lot of essential data like sales rank, buy box, price history, sales rank history, a lot of essential data, like I said. And if we go here where it says read full announcement, and we scroll down, we can see what categories are now going to be restricted, which is all of these right here. Sales rank, buy box, new offer. The big ones are the buy box and the sales rank, for me at least. Now, one thing that is not disputed and nobody argues about, regardless if you're an arbitrage seller, a wholesaler, or a private label seller, nobody argues that Keepa is an essential tool that everybody uses, or at least the majority of Amazon sellers use. So, did Keepa make a huge mistake by charging a monthly subscription fee to its users, knowing that all Amazon sellers use it? Maybe not all, but I think it's the majority of sellers who use it. Everybody who talks about Amazon is always using the Keepa graph because the Keepa graph is the best. Now, did they make a huge mistake? Absolutely not. They made a very, very smart play here because if you think about it, they gave the software for free for a very long time. Everyone adopted that software as the staple in their Amazon FBA little tool belt as far as getting started. So with the mass adoption came a ton of users. Everybody always recommending the Keepa graph, the Keepa. And now that they have this huge customer base, it makes sense to charge a small fee like $17. So in my opinion, it was a very, very smart move. So with all of that being said, I'm assuming you know exactly what I'm going to say. I recommend that you still utilize the Keepa graph. The Keepa graph is the staple for Amazon sellers like you and me, and everybody's going to use this because it is the best. Now you can go and scour, free softwares and try to use that and do some makeshift stuff with it. Why would you do that? It's $17. Yeah, even if you're just starting out, it's an additional expense, but those $17 could save you a lot of money from making a bad purchase. Now, another argument is you could just go off of the initial sales rank that you see when you scroll down to the product information on the listing. And let's say the sales rank is 500 in toys, and then just go off of that sales rank. The only problem with that, and it's a very big problem, is that the sales rank spikes up and down. So there could be a huge spike in that sales rank that makes it go down to sell such a high volume amount at the 500 sales rank. But for the last year or for the last 3 months, it was at a sales rank of 50,000. That is a terrible way to go about it. Now, obviously, people come from different financial situations, but if you're going to plan on doing FBA as a legitimate business or even as a side hustle, it is completely essential, and there's no way of going around it, in my opinion. But I just want to give you guys my 2 cents. I highly recommend that you still stick with the Keepa graph. Save yourself a bunch of headache and save yourself a ton of potential losses down the road by trying to do these different makeshift workarounds for not using the Keepa graph. All right, so thank you guys for watching. Don't freak out. It's just $17. We will make it work, and Keepa graph is still the way to go.